Hey guys, this is how do I integrate ConvertKit with my SamCart. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. And this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first, just simply go to SamCart. And from there, just simply log in into your SamCart account and just simply go to the dashboard. And once you are on the dashboard, just simply navigate to the marketplace settings. And once you are in there, just simply click integrations on the left side of the screen. And from there, just simply click new integration. And right after that, just simply select ConvertKit and just simply click on next step. And from there, just simply enter an internal name for the integration and just simply copy and paste the API secret from the ConvertKit page and just simply click on save integration. So guys, in order for you to find your API key and API secret key, just simply go ahead and click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen and just simply go for the settings on the drop down over here. And after that, on the left side, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here developer. And from here, just simply go ahead and copy your API key over here and your secret API key. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.